Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your phone and opening settings. This is where you'll find battery details. Once done, go straight to the battery or device care section. Different manufacturers label it differently. Make sure to tap the three-dot menu or advanced section if you don't see health info. You're doing this now because most diagnostic options live inside settings. Locating them early avoids wasted steps. If you plan to use ADB later, plug in a USB cable and enable developer options first. Now you'll inspect the built-in battery indicators to learn how the battery behaves. Tap battery or battery usage, then view details like battery health, estimated capacity, and apps consuming power. You'll see a wear percentage on some phones. That tells you how much capacity you've lost versus new. Make sure to review background activity and screen on time because these affect health readings. If numbers seem off, restart the phone and recheck. Temporary spikes can mislead you, and a reboot often clears transient data. To finish, run advanced checks if you need precise capacity. Enable developer options, connect via ADB and request battery info, or install a reputable app that shows MA and charge cycles. Compare reported capacity to the original spec to estimate wear. This explains why battery life may be shorter. If readings are inconsistent, recalibrate by charging to 100% and letting it drain once, then reboot and retest. If the wear is high, consider professional replacement, and if diagnostics fail,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.